So this is the K9 Dingo. As far as maintenance on this thing, one of the really cool things is it's a grease-free machine. So you'll notice on all the grease points that you would otherwise see grease nipples, there's no grease nipples. So you don't have to grease this machine at all. Pretty cool. Oil engine is obviously here at the back. It's a fuel-injected engine. It's not a carby engine, so makes it nice and easy for maintenance and will stay running for a lot longer. Oil is right here, dipstick is right there. To get to the fuel, you have to open this. Obviously, it can be key locked. Fuel is here. Air filter is right here, so that just releases at the bottom there. There's actually 2 air filters in here as well, which is nice and handy. As far as the hydraulics go, the hydraulic tank is around here. There's no dipstick, there's no way of checking the oil other than operation. So if the bucket is jolty, when it's lifting up, that means the hydraulic's empty. That's the way you know, so make sure you fill that up. For any maintenance, this device here will lock up the boom. So if you need to lift the boom up for maintenance, make sure you use this for safety. So once the boom's all the way up, you just grab your safety chock, position it in here, and just put your safety pin through. And that's locked away. Then you can just use your manual boom. You don't have to actually turn the machine back on again. And once it sits there, the boom's safely up, and you can go ahead and do whatever work that you need to do in or around the Dingo and underneath the bucket safely. That's the Dingo K9, really maintenance free, almost. Really cool machine.